Welcome back to the episode. Your boy Jason's here, boy. Today we're gonna make an adapter. I restarted. I just spliced some cables together because the headphone jack is not so great on this phone. I don't know why. So, and they didn't have any at Walmart, so I decided to DIY it myself. So we're gonna make one, and hopefully it works. Let's get to the process. You guys can see. You probably could see the table, so I'm gonna need this white. What we got? Red, blue, green, and orange. So I'm gonna say red, oh no, I think I'm gonna use the black. So I need to strip it down a bit. So let me put you guys up here. Better. I need to strip down a bit. Yeah. So I need so I can get some contact points. Yeah, I'm ruining it. Dude, it's perfect. I get this right. Come on. Yes. One down. Green. One of the colors on the thing. See, I'm doing every other color except for white. I think white does anything. But I can't use white. I'm not gonna use it like that. I said I like it like that. I got something. So I might just use my hands. So tiny. More like, yeah, better. I'm trying to get this thing cut off, that's why. That could happen. There we go. Now we got two. Down the side. Move to the next color. Red. Oh, why you get out of my way? The red. Yeah, that one went pretty well. Got the red one. Cut this little piece at the end. Bring this in my way. Better. And now this one. The yellow. I'm gonna use the yellow as orange. Closest. Oh. We got something. That's all that matters. Okay, we got the colors we needed, except the white. Alright. I got these over here, so now I gotta connect these with those colors. I got a piece of tape that I'm gonna break into pieces. So you get it. Okay. Well, hopefully this works. Bring it down so you guys can see it. Alright. So start off with this end here. Start off with the red one. Then I'll do the rest. This tape. Make sure I get a stick there. Cool. No wait. I think I should try to twist them. I should try. Right. See if I can. I don't know if I could. But we're going to try. I think I can. Yeah. Just do that. It's touching, so now I'm gonna piece it. Make sure it's all good. That's not electric tape. But I don't have any electrical tape, so let's see. This tape. See, mommy? Alright. We got one done. Well, I don't know if you guys seen it. I should just keep it up here. My thing is buzzing. Oh. My mom sent me everything. Right here, why? I see.
Open it, ese sale.
Yeah. Huh? This is way harder than I thought it would be. It's so tiny. Okay, so we got two. And I think we got two colors left. I'm gonna have to manage to get the blue one side in. Yes. Okay, no. So let's get this one tied somehow. This is like this process of scariness. Okay. I gotta get the greens to touch. There we go. Some way. Yeah, twist it. Okay. Grab that, grab the tape. This is nursing. I don't want to ruin it. Ruin anything, so yeah. And now the blue that connects with the black. Wait, this works. It might work, might not. You never know. Alright, I gotta get these two to touch. I need to get them next to each other. I think I got it. Just keep twisting them and flattening them together. Okay. Tape and clamp them together. Alright, so now we got all of them together, as you can see. I'm going to grab a big piece and try to wrap it around. Make sure it all stays secured together. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then sheesh, wasted some good cables. And the final tape. I said I like it. There we go. I didn't use the white one, but here it is. One end, another end. Let's find out if it works. I got earbuds in my pocket. And yeah. Oh no. Get off the thing. There we go. Those get tangled up. I said I like it like that. Right. Plug this end into here. And bring it down real quick. And plug this into the bottom of my phone. Right. Moments of truth. We better find out if it works or not. We're on Spotify. Wait, I got the connecting points correct. And we're gonna play a song. think I gotta set my phone to route to the bottom. So let me go do. Something's happening. The bus is not here yet, and it's literally 2:55. What? Never this late. Don't know what's going on. The other buses already passed by. I'm not blowing my son. And see a bunch of people over there waiting, a bunch of parents waiting, but still the bus is not here. It's weird. Don't know where it is. Don't know what's happening. We just got to wait. This is some. I don't know. We're just gonna stay in some music. Yeah. What can we do? We can't get to the bus. Just wait until it gets here. I'm not gonna go upstairs and have to come back outside. Cause like the mystery. I'm gonna wait. No. Don't see no bus. I still gotta wait for DHL. DHL. Yeah, that they didn't come by yet. That's just for them to know they can leave it. Just in case I don't make it down. I'm gonna make it down. Somebody don't make it down on time. They could just leave it there and I can come down and get it. So yeah, no bus yet, so we're just gonna wait. It's pretty cold. My hands are getting cold. It's like good, warm and cold, but no bus. I'm waiting inside because I don't feel the cold. It's nice and cozy in here. It's cold out there. Yeah. So I'm gonna wait for it inside. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I feel weird just standing here. Can you guys see me? Shout out to my stepdad's mom. Putting us on a movie pass. The greatest thing I ever gotten. You might wonder, what is Movie Pass? Well then, Movie Pass is a $10 subscription, $9.95. It's a subscription you pay $9.95, and you get to see any movie at the movie theater. It works at the movie theater. It's basically a movie theater pass. Like you know, you have Netflix. You can go watch any shows for a certain amount of price a month. It's like that, but you go to the movie theaters. And for that, I seen all the good movies. I seen Black Panther, 50 Shades, The Lockers. I seen movies like those. I seen Ready Player One, you know, all these new releases, whatever new release comes out. I seen it. And, you know, I'm gonna go see a new rock movie. Cause you can. It's the most easiest way, it's easy to use. Simple and it's great. Press the link below if I put one to check out Movie Pass. It's not sponsored by the way. My dog, he's back outside. And we're keeping each other warm, aren't we? Aren't we, Johnny? Are we? Sister came outside, threw a trash, and locked the door on me. Oh, we even have keys. Oh well. Cold. She needs to hurry. The truck needs to get here. Get here. Now. Nothing still. Everything is running late. Yeah. Found it. It's this regular song as you can see. Wait. Wait. Look. Hey, that transition though. You hear that? That transition from the other song. That song give you a longer. In the old school Chevy, it's a drop top, moving with a dot. Hey, that's it. See y'all tomorrow. You won't believe what I just did. Listen to this. This is some fire. Ooh, it's crazy. Listen to that. Oh man. You hear that? Oof, that's fire right there. That's heat. I'm gonna save that. Post EP going cycle. Say that. Alright, there we go. Saved up. There's something else I made a long time ago. You wanna hear it? It's not really like that. It's just more of a song. This one. No, I'll find it. Oh yeah, you search it. Look. Let me find it real quick. I need to figure out a mechanism that stops the can, and when I pull it, it lets the can through. And then when I put it back, it closes. But so far, it works. Look, the can and came out through the bottom. So I need to figure out a mechanism. Probably use this little hole and try something. So right now I'm trying to make my own vending machine. I was watching online, but I don't have cardboard. This cardboard here, but let's use this. I'm gonna have to steal this to cut this piece off and put it inside this box. So, cause I have 3 Arizona box, next time I'm gonna reuse them and just make them tricks out of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So stack them up. So I gotta make sure they stack up. And I gotta make sure load it up somehow, some way. I'll figure out how to get this machine to work. Look at this. Ooh. Look, I'm just gonna cut off the top, make it look cleaner, but this is my machine. Arizona.
I'm from a rock and a hard place. I took the cops on a car chase. Pull out the drop with a soft top. Billy bottles was all ace. I got the money to prove it. Yo bitch in love with my music. All my young niggas is stupid. We be in Fendi or Gucci. Blue Hunters. I don't give a fuck about who's saying who running. Piss bad, get a new stomach.
Chance you could get it replaced. And why stop at desktop RAM? Small outline or SODIMMs from an old laptop can be repurposed using inexpensive adapters like the ones we used in this video. One word of caution though, when you're buying used, is to look out for system-specific RAM. This is RAM that if you look up the part number you'll find is guaranteed to work with one or usually a small handful of specific systems. It usually costs more anyway because it's got this extra stage of validation, but if you do find a good deal on it, just beware. There's a chance it'll work, but it's also possible that it won't be stable or straight up won't work in a system that it wasn't designed for. As for those of you who insist on buying new, it's trickier to come up with tips for you. We had kind of hoped that historical data might reveal a time of the year when RAM is cheaper, or some kind of consistent pattern in how the launch of a new technology, like the upcoming DDR5, might affect the price of the existing technology. But the launch of DDR4 did not spur a mass liquidation of DDR3 stock because the chipsets and CPUs that accompanied DDR4 didn't bring enough of a performance jump to compel the average mainstream user to upgrade to the new platform. So if you were itching for a memory upgrade at the end of 2014, you may actually have been better off to just go for it rather than wait around for prices to fall. And this is something that may happen again with DDR5, which is slated for release sometime in the next couple of years. So the unfortunate reality is that there are many forces at play that influence the price of commodity desktop memory modules, including surging demand for low-power DRAM for smartphones, depressed yields due to manufacturers recently switching their process nodes to use smaller lithography, or even just plain old bad luck. So ultimately, you're left with 2 options. Playing the market, monitoring DRAM exchange and snapping up bushels of sticks the moment the price dips, then flipping them when it goes up, or just bucking up and buying the RAM
subscribe.
you need when you
Thank
need
you
it.
for watching. Good night.
FreshBooks